Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A18. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter password and security. Go to lock screen password. And as you can see right here, we've got three types of passwords: numeric, alphanumeric and pattern. Firstly, let's turn it off, and now let's start with numeric password. We can select three types of numeric passwords: 4-digit, 4 to 16-digit and 6-digit PIN. Let's select 4-digit PIN and use it to unlock the phone. Now, let's go to alphanumeric and enter 4 to 16 letters and digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Use it to unlock the phone, and next let's go to biometrics. First biometric we've got is face unlock. Add face and scan it via front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to fingerprint. And now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the power button. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.